So, Pavith, can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
I'm Pavith Madusara and I'm from Kothmale. And currently I'm working as a full stack software engineer at Callidora Technologies.
So, why did you decide to become a software engineer, Pavith?
Here's the thing. When I was little, like I was in grade 4 or 3, I was interested in computers and space exploration. Right, but back then we didn't have anything to learn those things. We didn't have access to the information or resources. So when I was at like grade 7 or 8, I found a magazine about Visual Basic, right? And I was very happy after reading that. I had some IT enthusiastic friends at school. I told them like I found a software that can make software. I was very excited about that, right? Then luckily I asked about our IT teachers at the school, and they said they have that software in the school. Then they gave me access to that, and me and my friends tried out the tutorials in that magazine. So that's how I ended up discovering programming. Ever since that, the programming became my hobby. So after doing A-level, so I didn't want to do anything. I always wanted to do that programming. So I ended up choosing software engineering as my field. And the second reason being that I don't like to do the same thing over and over again. And I don't want to restrict myself to a particular industry for the rest of my life. So what the software engineering field allows me to do that, like as a software engineer, I don't have to work on a software company. I can work on any industry I like. Like I want to, if I like the hotel industry, I can work as an IT manager at a hotel, or I can work as an agriculture industry. So that allows me to do and try a variety of things in the future. So that's the main two reasons I become interested in this field.
Right. So how did you learn about the Java Institute?
I think after A-levels, I was reading Madusara magazine. I saw an advertisement about Java Institute. So they had a scholarship program. I attended the scholarship program at Kandy, and that's how I found out about Java Institute.
Right. So what can you tell us about the teaching methodology at the Java Institute?
So I was very impressed by the Java Institute teaching methodology because I have tried other institutes before I joining Java Institute, because after seeing the syllabus, I want to join the Java Institute, and after trying out being in the first 3 months, I realized that they were focused on the concepts and the understanding the concept behind the programming, rather than teaching us how to do a particular thing. So by understanding this concept, we were able to work on any technology, any framework, any language using that concept without restricting us to a particular technology or language. So it was great, and I'm happy I ended up in the Java Institute.
So as an undergraduate, what are the certifications that you completed with the Java Institute?
I have completed SQL level 7, 8, and 9, and then I have completed I have completed Bachelor of Science Software Engineering in Birmingham City University.
Right. So when you talk about the Viva projects that you completed, can you tell us a little bit about them?
Yes, in SQL level 7, the first year I have created business process management software for printing shop. It was a SE application. It's a standalone application. On the second year, we had to do a web project. So I got a client requirement, and I built a wholesale and distribution management system for power tool company. And in the third year, we had to create an Android application or the handheld device programming module. And I got a chance to extend my second year project. So I connected my second year project to a Android application for sales representative. So it was a sales representative application for that wholesale and distribution management system. So those are the three projects, bio projects I have done.
Right. So as a qualified software engineer, what has your experience been like in the industry so far?
So, currently, I have worked on. Currently, I'm working on a couple of projects simultaneously. The tourist industry project and some e-commerce application, and I'm working on Android development and front-end and back-end web development, some DevOps and system administration.
Fantastic. So let's talk about your time in school. What sort of a student were you in school?
I would say I would consider myself an active student. I participated in multiple competitions like drama competitions, music and literature competitions. I got awards in those competitions, and I got a couple of awards in school software development competitions. And before O levels, I played volleyball, and I worked as selected as a prefect in a couple of times, and I was the head prefect at my school in my last year. So I would consider myself as an active student.
Okay. So what about your extracurricular activities at the Java Institute?
We started doing some freelancing work and some projects, and we explore some game development to learn those things. And unfortunately, we didn't get the time or opportunity to do other extracurricular activities because of the things happened in the country back then and this time period.
So I'm sure your parents must be very proud of your achievement.
Of course, they are very helpful, and they are very supportive, and I'm very thankful for them, and they supported in my journey every step. So, and especially they didn't have the idea about this industry at the beginning. They never pressured me to do otherwise. So they trusted me. They always supported me what I'm doing. So I'm very thankful for that.
Okay. So Pavith, on behalf of the Java Institute, we'd like to again congratulate you on graduating, and we'd like to wish you all the very best and future success in your journey ahead.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for joining us.